So the unit right now is locating an electrical cable so they can run it under the footpath and around to the other side. We do a lot of locating works for various councils. This one's Gold Coast City Council. We do works on there with Light Rail and also Coomera Connects, along with a lot of other clients. The STG units are quite versatile in what they do. They can do stuff as it is behind us. They also have a drain cleaning attachment that can go on the back of it, so we can do sewer and stormwater drain cleans, along with our bigger trucks, the 16,000 litre tankers, that we do dewatering jobs and any storm works, emergency response and works like that as well.